When pinapatawag mo ako, ma'am, natatakot ako.
I like all your thoughts. I don't like your thoughts. Kausapin kita, ha?
I like you, but I don't like it when... I don't like it when you two eat... You drink...
Ano?
I don't like it when you drink too much soft drink.
But she like it when.
Because I want her to be healthy and gusto ko pa humaba yung buhay ni Ma'am
Pero between the two of us, sino nagka-UTI?
Sorry. Adi ako ex. Adi ako na.
I like you, but I don't like it when.
When you're hungry, because I can really feel it. Napipil ko na bad mood. Kita ko talaga yun ako gutom to si Ma'am. Saka na ako magpapaalam.
Oo. Titingin muna siya eh. Mukhang gutom.
I like you, but I don't like it when.
You put so much chocolates and food in your office kasi natitempt ka na tumambay para kumain dahilan ng pagtaba naming lahat. Tapos si Mama Nicole, siya lang yung pumapayat kasi nag-o-omad siya.
Pwede pala kainin.
Pwede pala
Pwede!
I don't know, but I like it now. I like you, but I don't like it when. When pinapatawag mo ako, ma'am, natatakot ako. Pabuti na ako yung pumunta sa office kaysa
Oo, tinatawag
pinapatawag
kita.
ako.
Oy, kausapin kita, ha?
I like you, but I don't like it when.
Don't like it when hindi ka nagre-refill ng pagkain. Kinakain mo na ng mani. Hala! Wala kami makain.
Tinatanong din ako minsan kailan po magkakaroon ng mga green peas dyan?
Wow!
I like all your thoughts and I will make sure that there's always a refill. I don't like your thoughts.
Happy Labor Day.
Wow! Enjoy na enjoy sa mga videos namin. Nako,
Marami pa niyan dito, kabisyo. Kaya para mas feel good ka,
I-like mo na ang video na to.
At mag-subscribe na sa aming YouTube channel.
Don't forget to click the notification bell
Para lagi ka updated sa amin.